Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the sound ready and accessible. Use an MP3 or WAV and trim to under 30 seconds for crisp alerts. This also saves battery. Once done, move the file to internal storage and into a notifications folder. Create one if missing. Make sure your file manager app has storage permission, otherwise the system won't see the sound. If prompted, choose Move Not Copy so it's in the right location. These steps set you up to add the tone inside Samsung settings. You continue by opening Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and choosing Notification Sound. Tap Add or the plus icon to browse storage. Navigate to Internal Storage, then the Notifications folder you created. Select the file and listen to the preview. This confirms loudness and clipping. Once you confirm, choose whether to apply it system-wide or assign it to specific apps under App Notifications. This approach ensures the tone appears in the system list and is available for per-app customization, giving you control over where it rings. You finish by testing the sound on both lock screen and while the phone is unlocked, then adjust notification volume in Sounds and Vibration if it's too low. If the tone doesn't appear, reboot the phone first. This forces a media scan. If that fails, open My Files and refresh the folder or move the file out and back in to trigger indexing. As a last resort, install a trusted ringtone manager to import and assign the file. This often resolves permission or indexing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.